Hey guys, here we go again. Yeah, you, crew, thanks for following along. No, I'm not sitting down on the job. In this installment of the series, we're gonna go ahead and start taking this thing apart, get everything ready so I can put the new parts in and get it going. Now, through all of this, just remember, if a day goes by where you don't learn anything, it's a wasted day. So, with that being said, let's get this thing going. Now, I've taken this thing apart twice before. The first time I took it apart, it wasn't even a month old, believe it or not. The carburetor, main metering jet, had actually fell out into the bowl. How about that? So I kind of figured that out. And then the second time I took it apart, it had sat up for a while again, and I replaced the carburetor. So this is gonna be my third time taking it apart. And mind you, no manuals. I don't have to tell you that, no manuals. But I figured it all out the first time, and it's gonna take some time. It's gonna be a mess because the carburetor is back up under here. But to get to it, because it's basically in the frame, so to get to it, I'm gonna have to start out by removing this, the headlight shield. All of this part here, the fenders, along with the part around the gas tank, is all one piece. So I have to remove these screws, take that all off at one piece. Have to take the seat off, of course. Let's put that out of the way. And obviously the battery is already out. And then I'm gonna have to remove all the rear fenders here, which is gonna be this screw, this screw, this screw, and then these two screws here is part of the gas tank surround. And once I get all of this plastic stuff out, the carburetor is actually down in there. That's crazy. It's not like some of the newer stuff where you just reach right here through the side and the carburetor will be sitting right there. But keep in mind, this is one of those GYC 150cc engines that actually they use in the scooter. So it's pretty much a scooter engine. So that's the name of that game. But it's gonna be fun. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. But when I get it going again, I'll be riding out and happy. But yeah, this is crazy. I can't even remember what okay, yeah, here's the, kind of dark, but here's an air box for the carburetor. And I stand corrected, the carburetor is actually underneath the gas tank right here. Under the gas tank. So, I remember correctly now, I had to remove the gas tank as well. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, and I really would like for you guys to follow along my journey. So we get this thing running. Feel free to follow, like, subscribe, and we'll keep this thing going. Let's start out by going ahead and removing this front headlight section here. It's two screws that's holding this part. So let's see what we got here. Keeping in mind, these parts are old. This thing's 18 years old. And it's Chinese, so anything can happen. Hopefully it won't, but in the back of my mind, I know it can. Two screws out. Put those to the side. If I remember correctly, this thing gets lifted up like this on a pivot. Unfortunately, I got the wire here for the hour meter, so I gotta take care of that first. Okay, I've taken care of the wire for the hour meter. So let's go ahead and pull this off. It's on like a little hinge down here. Stuff has a trick, man. There we go. So I got it off. So what we have to do, this was connected to the spark plug wire. I'll take this off. So what I've got to do now is go ahead, disconnect the headlights. What you have to remember is where everything goes. A lot of connectors are okay, common sense, but you may want to take a picture of it to remember. This is pretty much common sense, so we'll go ahead and disconnect the headlight harness. I'm going to take this and put it aside. Now, as you can see down in here, this is like all the main harnesses and everything go through here. So all these wires got to be disconnected. I've done this before, so what I did was I labeled the wires, what goes to where, like 7 to 7 and so forth. But I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures of these things anyway to make sure everything goes back together. A lot of them are like, you know, self-explanatory. I don't think you can actually get them mixed up, but I don't want to take that chance. So that's what I'm gonna do. So now all this stuff is this 8mm screw right here, which will allow me to pull everything else off of here. And it's off. There we go. Getting down to the frame now. Crazy. Fun, fun, fun. We're getting down to it now. We're gonna go ahead and remove this fuel tank. It's gonna be an 8mm right here and another 8mm right here. So let's go ahead and get that thing off and get it popping. Well, there we go. One fuel tank removed. We'll go ahead and get that all cleaned up and make sure it's okay to get it, you know, reinstalled. But like I was saying, here's the carburetor under the fuel tank down in this frame here. Shouldn't be too bad. We're on our way, guys. Hang with us, we're gonna get this done. Well, we gotta start somewhere. If a day goes by that you don't learn anything, guess what, family? It's a wasted day. Right out.